Okay, so today we're going to learn how to just transform our ordinary bubu. Just not, it's not really ordinary because we put this color, right? But we want it to be more elegant. Okay, so let's go. So I folded it, just this is the back, right? And here's the front. Just fold it like this. Okay, this is the front. Then fold it into two like this. So from the hop here, I measure 16 inches. From the shoulder here, I measure 16 inches on both sides, 16 here and 16 there. Okay, so from the middle, I measure 3 inches. Okay, and here is the line for the 16. Here is the line for the 3 inches. Okay, for the 3 inches. So we have our 3 inches here. So the same thing on this side. 16 from here, like this, then 3 inches in, which is here. Okay, so that is where we're going to place our pockets. Okay, so to design our pockets, here I have an 9 inches by 10 inches. 9 inches by 10 inches. So for the under, which is the 10 inches is the width, while the 9 is the length. So I have these pieces here. So this long pieces is 4 inches by, let's see, by 37 or 38, but we're not going to finish everything. All right, so we just need to use this like this. Then we pleats, pleats, pleats. Okay, pleats, pleats. You can sew this together first. Okay, you can sew this side together, then you can start the pleating here. Depends on how you want it. Then pleats, pleats, pleats. Okay, and after that we're going to get something like this. Okay, now you can see. So I didn't finish the pleats inside. So the next thing we're going to do now is to I have these pieces, okay, which is the same thing as the one I used to design the front part. So here I have 11 inches. Okay, so I'll just place it on our 10 inches here. Let's use this one. Okay, for the upper part, like this. Okay, so we can decide to sew it like this, then turn it out. It's going to be beautiful. You can decide to sew this first, then use, let me show us. Sew this like this first. Okay, then flip like this. You can now take like 0.25 or 0.5, then sew this in. So you're going to have a beautiful finishing edge. Okay, just like that. And we're going to do the same thing to the second one, and I'll be back. So I'm done sewing the pockets. So I'm just going to trim the excess. Okay, then we'll place it on our dress. So we have our dress here. So remember, we have the lines already and the point where we want to place it. So this side that has pleats is going to be the down side, and you can decide to use it as the upper part, depends on you. So just half, 0.5, then we place it on the edge like this. Then I'm going to pin it down. Okay, then same thing here. Alright, I'll pin it then show us. So I'm going to pin it from the inside. Okay, from the down here, just pin to put it in place, hold it in place. Okay, and same thing to this side. So now we are going to sew. From when you're sewing, you have to open it so you don't sew the front, sorry about that, so that you don't sew the front and the back together. Okay, so now I'm going to open it from here, sew on it like this and this. So for the down here, I'm just going to take parts of the plates, sew on the parts of pleats, so you can have something like this. Okay, then I'll come back and show us. So here it is. Can you see? Very beautiful. Let's move it close. You can see that. You can see the sign down here. Right. So you can decide to just make one instead of two. Depends on you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I want beautiful comments under the comment section. Thank you. Bye.